आसान है. Welcome back guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to explain how to speak English as fast as bullet train, how to speak English, how to make over control on English, how to control English, how to master in English, how to speak English with anyone, how to be expert in English, how to be a mastermind in English, how to play with English. Okay, so let's start this video. For example, if you want to speak English more confidently, first of all you have to feel confident, you have to know, you have to make yourself confident, you have to inform your mind you are the best, you can speak English, you can do anything that you want to do. Okay, so make it clear on the on mental level. And second, you have to practice more and more. For example, how could you practice if there is nobody with you? So you can practice with yourself. Hey Ashish, how are you, what are you doing? First of all, you have to start reading books, any kind of books. You can, if you are going through from market, so you can learn English while walking in the market. Read name of shops, read new places, see new objects and think about them in English. Okay, first of this you can improve your language by this. Okay, and after that learn English from everything. For example, this is bulb. Okay, here is bulb. Imagine there is a bulb. Okay, so how you could learn English by this bulb? Okay, so try to tell yourself about this object in English language. For example, this bulb emits light, from by that light I can see all the objects present near me. For example, this is switch. I am able to see this switch because of this light. If and by this switch I can on and off, I can play with the switch on and off. And if I on the switch, then the circuit will be closed and the bulb close. Okay, and you can say about this bulb, oh, this bulb glows so much, and this also produces heat energy as well as. Okay, so and okay, you can learn English by everything. For example, you can say, if you are sitting in a room, you can say to yourself, oh, I am sitting in a cube shaped room, this room is providing me shelter, this room providing me shelter, this room's providing me privacy. Okay, you can learn English with this door. Hey door, how are you? Because of you, I am safe in this room. Nobody can enter in my room. If you were not present there, so anyone can enter in my room. But because of you, no one can enter my room. You can learn English by this paper. Hey paper, you are made of cellulose, because before cellulose is found in plants, so you have been a plant before you have been a paper. Okay, so you can learn English by this. Okay, so imagine, think, learn new words daily and daily, practice more and more. If you have seen Sachin Tendulkar, whenever he goes to in a match, so he practices a lot. If you practice a lot, then definitely you are going to much higher score. Okay, everything good in life begins with a challenge. Okay, challenge yourself, guys, challenge yourself. You can do. I can, I will. Repeat with me. I can, I will. I can, I will. For example, you can talk with yourself. You can observe your hand. You can say there are 5 fingers. But everything you have to learn English every time at 24/7 hours. If you are sleeping, then the thought should be in your mind, should also be in English. So you can learn English this by glass. Okay, so you can say about this. You can say that this glass is translucent. Because of this glass, okay, nobody can see me, nobody can watch me, what I am doing in this room. Okay, translucent means light is not coming from this glass. Okay, this glass can block light from inside to outside the room or from outside to inside the room. And you can also learn from anything English from calendar. Okay, you can say that there are 365 days in a calendar. Okay, but in leap year there are 366 days. Okay, in January there are 31 days. January, which means January. Okay, there are many pages in this calendar. Okay, and what extra you can say, this calendar is the mixture of many colors, red, blue, white. There is one old man in this calendar. We all can see, watch that man. Okay, so the brand of this calendar is Thakur Prasad. And what extra can say, you can say, okay, what you can extra say, in this calendar also Hindi language is written. Okay, so the calendar is so much important in our daily life. We can see date on the daily basis. And okay, so this is and there are 7 days in a week. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, there are, okay, so you can learn by everything, or you can learn even from my camera. You all people's English by you can learn English by even from my camera. You all peoples are watching me. Why? Because my camera is capturing me. Understood, guys? You can learn by this fan. A fan in the summer season. Because of you, I feel relaxed and cool, calm. Okay, so you have to practice more and more. You can, you will. Guys, you can rock in English. Guys, you can't imagine what you can do in English. You can walk in English, you can talk in English, even you can eat in English, you can lunch in English, you can sleep in English, you can do anything. Your thought process should be aligned in English language. Okay, why foreigners, if any would born in USA, okay, so how he could learn English in that much easier way, because everyone surrounded him is actually speaking English 24/7. Okay, but in India the English is too much complicated. Why? Because we all peoples are not interested in that. So make yourself curious to know about new words. Okay, if you hesitate, if you hesitate while speaking English, so why you are hesitating? Because you have lack of knowledge. Increase your knowledge, increase on the basis of everything. You can not know everything, but you should increase your knowledge day by day. Don't read newspapers. Get started by a small book, kids book, and read that. Okay, and try to speak English. But without speaking English, you can't learn English. Okay, speaking English is the only way to learn English after reading books. Read books and speak yourself. Determine yourself, discover yourself. Everything is in this universe, guys, can be done by human beings, because English is just a language made by human beings. English does not make human beings. We make English, guys. English is easy language, guys. Okay, so this all from my side. You guys can rock English. You all guys can fly in English as aeroplane, guys. Okay, don't underestimate your powers. You don't know what you can do. You can say speak English. So speak English with confidence. Aasan hai.